teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. First, you should know the steps. L for left, R for right, U for up, D for down, M for middle, Li for left reverse, Ri for right reverse, Ui for up reverse, Di for down reverse, Mi for middle reverse, little l, little r, little u, little d, left yoke, L, Ui, Li, U, right yoke, R, U, Ri, Ui. Step 1. Solve the white. Step 2. Place the middle pieces of white according to the middle color. Step 3. Now place the white corners pieces as it matches the middle color. Step 4. Turn the cube upside down. Step 5. Now follow these steps.
Follow this step to solve the second layer.
Second layer is finished. I will say you some formulas. Follow them. These are right yoke once, left yoke once, right yoke 5 times, left yoke 5 times, right yoke 3 times, spin right, left yoke 3 times. Follow me and this cube is done.
So first we should solve the corner pieces of yellow, that is this and this. To get the yellow pieces above, you should follow these instructions. F, R, U, R, I, U, I, F, I. So you get the middle piece here. Follow the same thing here. F, R, U, R, I, U, I, F, I. Again same. F, R, U, R, I, U, I, F, I. You get the four middle pieces of yellow here. Now you should check the corner pieces and get here. First you should match the piece here with red and blue as here it is. And now check the other yellow pieces if it matches with the color in the middle. This doesn't match. This matches as here green, yellow, orange. This doesn't match. So you should swap these pieces diagonally. Right yoke 3 times. Spin right. Left yoke 3 times. Again the same thing. Right yoke 3 times. Spin right, left yoke 3 times. So the pieces are changed. Now here it matches with red and green. And now you should swap these pieces, this and this. Right yoke 3 times. Left yoke 3 times. Now you get a fish. Here you have blue and red, so match with this. Here this is complete and matching, but these both are we should swap these diagonally. So right yoke 3 times. Turn, spin right, left yoke 3 times. Now you should swap these both pieces, as these both are already matched. Right yoke 3 times, left yoke 3 times. So here we see that all the pieces are matching with the middle piece. So to see every corner piece of yellow and check to its left if there are any yellow pieces. Take this one, left yellow piece is there, so don't do. Here check this, here yellow piece is there, don't do. Here yellow piece is not there, so you can follow R U R I U R U2 R I. So you get the yellow with the pieces correctly matched. The corner pieces are now correctly matched, but 3 colors are only filled. The other colors here, the middle pieces are not matched yet. So take that color which is completed, that is orange, and right yoke once, left yoke once, right yoke 5 times, left yoke 5 times. So you get the cube solved. Or you may get like this, that the 4 pieces doesn't match with the respective colors. So you need to follow the same thing, but you should do it 2 times. If you do more 2 times and now it is not yet matched, you should follow these steps again and again to get a full cube. Thank you.
Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.